Understanding Stand in Reverence, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful phrase that carries deep respect and admiration. Stand in reverence. This expression is not just about the physical act of standing, but about the feelings and attitudes it represents. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your English skills. Let's dive in and discover the meaning and usage of stand in reverence. Stand in reverence combines two important words, stand and reverence. To stand, in this context, doesn't just mean to be upright on your feet. It symbolizes a posture of attention, respect, or readiness. Reverence, on the other hand, is a feeling of deep respect, awe, or admiration towards someone or something. It often carries a sense of solemnity or sacredness. Together, to stand in reverence means to physically express deep respect, admiration, or awe towards someone or something. It's a gesture that shows you are moved or touched by the presence or thought of the entity you are revering. Understanding when and how to use stand in reverence is crucial. This phrase can be used in various contexts. 1. Religious or spiritual settings. People might stand in reverence during religious ceremonies, in front of sacred symbols, or while engaging in spiritual practices. 2. Formal occasions or ceremonies. During national anthems, memorials, or respectful moments, standing in reverence is a common practice to show honor and respect. 3. In literature or speeches, writers or speakers might use this phrase to describe a character's or a crowd's reaction to something awe-inspiring or venerable. 4. Everyday life. Though less common, it can also be used metaphorically in everyday conversations to express strong admiration or respect for someone's actions, achievements, or character. To help you understand better, here are a few examples of how stand in reverence can be used in sentences. As the choir sang, the congregation stood in reverence, feeling the weight of the moment. The soldiers stood in reverence as they remembered their fallen comrades. Upon seeing the majestic mountains, they could only stand in reverence, awed by nature's beauty. We hope this video has helped you understand the depth and beauty of the phrase, stand in reverence. It's more than just standing. It's about the feelings of respect, awe, and admiration that inspire us to physically show our reverence. Whether in religious, formal, or everyday contexts, knowing how to use this expression can add richness to your English communication. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.